guys, it's Zach again here with another great product for you, the SenSign ring light. It's a 10-inch ring light that's very powerful and I can't wait to show you exactly how it works. So inside the box you have a number of things. The tripod itself, the 10-inch light ring, as well as a bunch of accessories like the carrying bag, the power cable, the holder for your cell phone, and a little remote for taking pictures on your phone. So to start setting up this ring light, you first need to extend the tripod. It can actually get up to 50 centimeters tall, which is quite a lot. Assembly is super easy. All you have to do is take the light ring and screw it into the tripod. And once it's screwed in, there's a lot of flexibility in the different positions you can put the light in. And secondly, you need to install the phone holder as well as your phone. And with your phone in place, you can see just how easy it is to rotate the phone 360 degrees to whatever angle you like best. Alright, so let's dig in. It comes with an AC-DC adapter, which is actually safer than other USB-powered models. All you have to do is plug it right in. You'll see a little blue light there saying that there's power, and then you just press the power button. Voila, we have light. So with the light on, you can see that there's 3 different color temperatures. You have your daylight, your cool white, as well as a warm white. And then within each of these color temperatures, using the plus and minus arrows here, you can adjust to 10 different levels of brightness. And finally, we have this very powerful remote, which can help you take pictures on both your Android phone and iPhone from up to 30 feet away.